What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to active Hey Google on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all open open the Google app and then click on your profile icon and then click on settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then scroll down and click on Assistant Voice and Sounds. Sorry, go back. Now here click on Hey Google and voice match. Now tap on Get Started. Now here swipe up and click on I agree. Then again swipe up and click on I agree. Now say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Then say okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then say hey Google, make a call. And then say hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. So if it haven't detected, then you have to say it again. So say hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And after that click on next. And then Hey Google will be enabled. Now when you will say Hey Google, the Google Assistant will appear on the screen. So that's how you can active Hey Google on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.